Hey guys, so welcome back. So today's video I'm going to be sharing some new products that I picked up for my hair. I know in my last couple of videos I was saying that I really am not happy with my hair. I've been treating it poorly. I figured if I tried out some new products, you know, switch up things a little bit, maybe I can get my hair back to life. So let's get right into the video. So if you follow my vlog channel, you've probably seen some of these products. But if you haven't, here we go. So the first line I'm going to show you guys, I haven't used this line before, but I've been seeing a lot of people talk about it. If you guys want me to do a review, I definitely can. So the first line is Adwoa. I don't know how to say it. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, so I got their Blue Tansy line. I've been seeing people use it. For example, Glam Twins, Kelsey in particular, I saw using it. So I have their clarifying shampoo. I love a good clarifying shampoo. Something that gets my scalp clean, something that gets my hair clean. Because I have low porosity hair, I tend to get buildup very, very easily. So a clarifying shampoo is something that I always have. Let's smell this. Okay, not too strong, but it has like a very perfumey smell. It's not like, you know, floral or like tropical. It definitely smells like a perfume. Not bad. I like it. I know someone else might not like this, but it smells good. I like it. So let me know if you guys have tried their line before. The next thing I got from them, I actually got all this stuff from Sephora. I'll link them down below. Thankfully I had a gift card because these things are not, no, they're not cheap. So I had a $100 gift card, so I was able to get most of it with my gift card. So the next thing is the reparative conditioner, and it looks like this. So this line is actually for damaged or color treated hair, and I kind of like damaged hair care lines because I feel like it's super moisturizing and super like strengthening, and my hair, I mean, it's in a silk press right now, so I'm definitely going to need something that's going to help repair it. Here is this one. Let's smell it. Okay, so this one definitely has a stronger scent to the shampoo. It's definitely, I'm surprised by the scent. I'm used to like floral or tropical fruity scents, but I like it. I personally like it. I love when my hair smells really, really good, but I feel like some people might not be a fan of the smell because it's quite strong. Some people might say it gives them a headache. I don't know. Let me know you guys' thoughts, but I like it. Next, we have their leave-in conditioning styler. So this is what it looks like. You can see it has a bit of an ombre going on. The other ones were like a solid blue. Let's smell this one as well. Very light. Very, very light. Interesting that the two products that you're rinsing out is very strong scented, very strongly scented, but the one that you're keeping in is very light. Interesting, interesting. Anyways, we will see. I will definitely try it out. So that is their leave-in. And last but not least, I picked up their reparative mask because I love a good mask. So now, why did I get a conditioner and get a mask? Usually I don't buy conditioners. Why did I do that? This is very strange. Why did I buy the conditioner? I'm just taking this in. Usually, if you guys know me, I don't really buy conditioners because I feel like they don't do anything for me. So why did I go ahead and buy the conditioner? I don't know. We'll find out. I'm going to try it out. I'm not going to return it. I'm going to try it out and let you guys know how I feel. So I got this. So let's open this up. Oh. Very light. This has a very light smell. It has like these little like dots in it. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm gonna try to show you guys what it looks like. It looks extremely thick. Like this thing is not going anywhere. Ooh, I almost got on my nose. I mean, it smells nice, but it's very light. I just want to touch it because it looks so, yeah, it is pretty thick. Interesting. I'm really interested in seeing how this works. Okay. So that is Adwoa. I think that's how you say it. All right. So now let's move on to Moknows Hair. So a lot of you guys should be familiar with her. She knows her stuff. I've been wanting to try out her stuff for a very, very long time. I just never got around to doing it. So I picked up her Curl Hydrator shampoo. I think a lot of people really liked her shampoo. I can't remember. I've seen so many reviews. So I picked up her shampoo, and they had like a crazy good deal going on. It was like four products for $25 or something. Really, really good price. So I did pick up the entire line. I think I didn't pick up some type of smoothie or like a moisturizer or something. I think I'm gonna go back and get it because I accidentally picked up 2 of her setting gels, which I did hear really good things about her setting gel, but I don't want 2 of them. I would rather get the, you know, the moisturizer. So I'm gonna take back 1. But anyways, back to the shampoo. Let's open this. Again, I haven't tried this. Ooh, it smells nice. Again, like a perfume scent. Maybe a little bit more on the fruity side. So Moknows Hair stuff is very inexpensive. I think normally it's like $16.99, but if you catch it when it's on sale, it's like $6 something. Canadian, by the way. I'm not sure how much it would be in the States. Probably, of course, cheaper. But still, pretty good. Again, if you guys want me to do a review on anything here, please let me know. I'll definitely do that. I used to do a lot of reviews back in the day. So next is the curl setting gel. A lot of people were saying that I mean, it was a mix, you know, it was, you know, some people said they liked it, some people said they didn't. It flaked, it didn't flake, I don't know. I'm gonna try it out. So, it smells the same, a perfumey scent. I'm excited to try that out. One thing I heard a lot of people saying that they really liked was the Scalp and Curl Clarifier. So this is like, you know, a detox for your scalp and your curls. So that's what that looks like. It's in a pretty small bottle. It's a pre-shampoo treatment. I'm gonna open it. I want to smell it. Smells just like the other 2 products, perfumey, but it smells nice. So there's that. And then the last thing from Mo is the Curl Styling Potion. And I've seen her use this on wash and goes on herself and on other people. It's a 2-in-1 leave-in plus styler with soft hold. So let's open this as well. This one has a little bit of a lighter scent, but still has the same perfumey scent. So all the products smell the same. They smell good to me. So that is Moknows Hair. I'm excited to try out her stuff because I've been following her for such a long time. I love seeing her do people's hair. I love seeing her do her own hair. And my hair needs some help. Like, it really does. I've been really, really bad to it. So let's move on to the last line, that most expensive line that I actually tried out on my hair. And I don't want to do a review in this video. I would rather do a separate video. But I tried it, and I'll say that I liked some of the stuff. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment, the number 0. So this is something that you put on your hair before washing. Yeah. So I've only used it once, and it's about halfway. So I think I can only get 1 use out of this, 1 more use out of it. Don't remember the price. I'll try and put it on the screen, but their stuff is not cheap. So yeah, I don't think this is a must-have. You don't have to get this, but because I was doing a silk press, I want to make sure that I, you know, did everything. I used all the products so that way I wouldn't get heat damage. We'll see what happens. But yeah, it comes in a spray bottle. Everyone that I've seen do a review on this, it was an applicator bottle, and they complained about the applicator bottle. So maybe Olaplex saw that and decided to put it in a spray bottle. I don't know. I never tried the applicator, so I don't know how it would have worked. But from what I've seen, people were complaining that the stream was so small that they found themselves having to take off the top and pour it into their hands. So I'm guessing the spray version is probably better. I don't know. So that's the number 0. I liked it. Then I have the number 3. Wait, hold on. Sorry. Okay, so then the number 3. So you actually use these 2 together, one after the next. So this is the number 3. It repairs and strengthens. It's a hair perfector. So there's that. Next we have the Bond Maintenance Shampoo, number 4. And I really want to do a review on this stuff, so I'm going to wait. But yeah, so this was nice. About the smell, they're perfumey, but not too strong, to be honest. Everything smells good. All the products here smells really good. So this repairs, strengthens, and nourishes all hair types. So a lot of people with, you know, type 3, type 4, were saying, you know, they weren't sure if Olaplex would work on kinkier textures, or, you know, black people or whatever hair, kinky hair, curly hair. But yeah, it does. It works on every hair type, straight to curly to kinky. So that's the number 4. And then I have the number 5, which is the Bond Maintenance Conditioner, which you apply after your shampoo. So that's that. I've used it once and it's quite thick, so I can't even show you how much I used because it's so thick in the bottle that I can't even tell how much I've used. I don't know, sorry, but a little goes a long way. With the shampoo and the conditioner, a little goes a long way. You don't need much at all. Next up we have the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. I have never used this, so I can't say whether or not it works, but it moisturizes, smooths, adds body and shine. That's number 8. Never used it. I probably will. I will. I don't know when though. And then last but not least, we have 2 more products. We have the Olaplex number 6. I use this. It's the Bond Smoother. So I use this to blow dry my hair. So I use this and the number 7. So I applied this first and then I applied this after and blew out my hair. And then I applied a little bit more and then flat-ironed my hair. A lot of reviews that I saw, a lot of hairstylists in the comment section were saying to use them together because they work really, really well together. So that's what I did. And I mean, it gave me really great results, as you can see. So it's the Bond Smoother and the Bonding Oil. Very, very lightweight. A little bit goes a long way. So be very mindful of that this stuff is concentrated and a little bit goes a long way. And you don't want to use too much because your hair's going to be weighed down, greasy. So just use a little bit. Honestly, just use a little bit. And yeah, so that is Olaplex. Their stuff, their stuff is quite expensive. Thankfully, again, I had another gift card. So I was able to get some of it with the gift card. But I mean, their stuff is pricey, but because a little bit goes a long way, it really, it's worth it. And it works really well. So I haven't used it on curly hair yet, like on a curly style, like a wash and go or a twist out yet. So I'll let you know how that goes. We will see when I wash my hair how things look. But those are the 3 new lines that I picked up. I'm really excited to try out Adwoa and Moknows Hair. Again, if you guys want to see a review, let me know and I can definitely film that. Yeah, let me know if you guys have tried out any new products that you think I should try out. But that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this haul and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.